Okay, so I've waited long enough. The moment's finally here. My wig literally just got dropped at my front door. And it surprisingly came in this huge box for such a little tiny wig, but I'm not complaining because it's got giant bubble wrap, which I will pop later. But anyways, here's the wig. Hopefully it fits, because there have been some reviews on the Party City website that they didn't fit, which is disappointing. But oh well, we shall see. It's nice, they have it in a little cardboard thing to kind of, so it'll keep its shape. Before I take the net off, this is nice. They have a net over the braids so they don't get all messed up. That is very, very nice. Okay. And let me take the net off. Woo! Hello. Okay. Sorry, I dropped my phone. I'm going to have to brush this out a little bit, but here's the back of the wig. And one of her pigtails has the little blonde streak in it, like in the movie. And it looks like it's pretty good quality. This wig is really, really heavy. Oh, God. I was not expecting it to be this heavy. I'd say it's at least a good 5 pounds. Oy. I can just imagine how bad the Elsa one is. Oh, that's nice. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at this. They have, instead of a hair tie, they have the hair of the wig wrapped around where the hair tie should be. So, like, keeps the wig together. That is so cool. Oh my God. I am loving this. Wow. Okay. The bangs need a little bit of brushing out, and they'll be fine. It's kind of tiny, but that's okay. Okay, so I need to go grab a hair tie and my wig cap, and I will show you guys what it looks like. Or at least, maybe I don't need a hair tie, because my hair is pretty short at the moment. So a hair tie I don't think would do much good. But we can try. Okay, hair tie. I am so excited about this, you have no idea. And my hair is just short enough, I can still put it back in a ponytail. A very, very short one, but still. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put my wig cap on just because it'll make things easier, especially with my bangs. Because the last thing I want is there being blonde bangs under the red. That would not look good. And I'm not going to show myself until I have the wig on, because I look really weird in my wig cap, so give me just a second. Ooh. Ow. Ugh. Got caught on my rings. Ugh. Wait. Okay, this is not good. Okay. It's a lot easier to get my hair in my wig cap now that it's short. It was hell before. Ugh. Okay. Okay, I will admit this wig is a little bit tight, but it still fits. Ugh. The bangs are a little hard to deal with. I'm gonna have to brush them out. Oh. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. Okay, hold on. Whoops. That's not good. Hold on. This is gonna need a little bit of work because the bangs are in my eyes and my hair isn't totally covered, so you can tell it's a wig, but otherwise I think it looks pretty cute, maybe. Okay. This looks a little ridiculous. Ow. Hold on. There's a bang in my eye. Okay, so here's the wig. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work on it because my hair sticks out over here. And a little bit over here. And I'll have to brush the bangs, but I think I look cute with this. And then it'll look better once I have my full Anna costume on, obviously. So yeah, after all that, finally my wig's here. Alright, and now, I've got my little buddy Olaf. And I'm ready for Halloween, even though it's like 2 months away still. Oh well. Lots of love to y'all. Bye.